everybody, my name's Jason, coach at East Hartford and Forley Judo Club, and this is today's challenge. It's called the bird dog, but it's different from my basic bird dog. Is the fact that we're going to be in from a high plank position. I'm going to be touching and reaching. Okay, so touching and reaching. So working the back, the shoulders, in the plank position. So try and keep the best form you can. Work a nice clean plank. Get as many out, alternating from one hand to the other hand. So you're touching and reach. So that's today's challenge. See how many you can do. Good luck.